account, all you have to do is navigate in your web browser to www.facebook.com. That's Facebook.com. And once you do that, you'll be taken to a screen that looks something like this. And over on the right-hand side, you'll have the option to either log in using your existing username and password or to sign up for a brand new Facebook account. For the purposes of this course, I'm going to assume that you need to set up a Facebook account. I'm going to walk you through that process in this movie. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type out my name, and I'm going to type out my email address right here. And I'll repeat my email address right underneath there for verification purposes. Underneath that, I'm going to be able to specify my password. And in this case, you want to pick something that has both capital and lowercase letters and probably incorporates some sort of number as well. You want to make it as secure as possible. Don't just use something like password123 or something like that. Directly underneath there, you're going to see a section for your birthday. And you may be wondering why exactly Facebook needs your birthday information. Well, first and foremost, they want to verify that you are who you say you are, and this is part of that algorithm that they use to do that. And also, they want to make sure that they serve up age-appropriate content in the form of ads and other things that they show you on the site. So it's really just a safeguard against showing inappropriate materials to minor individuals. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and set my birthday. And you're just going to pick the month, day, and of course the year, based on all of this information there. There we go. And select whether or not you're male or female. You do have to tell that to Facebook. If you are really interested in the types of data that Facebook collects, what they do with it, and all that kind of stuff, I highly suggest you read their terms of service, their data use policy, and all of that information, which you can click on by going down here. I'll spare you the details of that right now, and just go ahead and click Finish. Once I click Finish, that is then going to officially create my Facebook account, and it's going to take me here to this 4-step process in order to start creating my brand new Facebook profile. Now, step number 1 is asking me to find my friends. And finding your friends is an essential part of the Facebook system. However, I'm going to cover this in its own movie a little bit later on. So for now, just know that you can, using your Outlook.com Hotmail account, or your Yahoo Mail, or your AOL email account, or other email services, you can find your friends here on Facebook by uploading your contact list to Facebook itself. Now, if you want to know how that works, you can click on this link here, or if you need more information on what they're actually going to do with this info when they get it, you can click here. For now, though, I'm just going to click Skip this step. And it's going to warn me here that I can find up to 20 people, yada yada, that's okay, just hit skip again, and that's going to take me on to step 2. Step 2 actually has information about me, so I can start entering in information like where I went to high school. So I can say I went to Murray High School in Murray, Kentucky, there it is. And my college, I went to Murray State University, there we go. My employer right now is lynda.com, so I'll find lynda.com. My current city is Oxnard, California. And my hometown is Murray, Kentucky. It actually used the information from above to sort of figure out where I'm from. I'm going to save and continue this, and that's going to take me over to another step. And once we get to that step, we are going to see some different people that we may or may not know here on this screen. And so if you want to add some friends from this screen, you can. If you want to skip that for now, that's okay too. I'm just going to hit skip right here because we're going to find our friends a little bit later on. Now, on this next section, step 3, this is where you can get interesting stories in your newsfeed based on people that you like. So it's going to serve up different people like celebrities. So it's got Alicia Keys, Miranda Lambert, Jason Aldean, it's got Oprah, a couple other people here that are popping up in the entertainment section. If you want to take a minute and browse this information, if there is someone in this list or a product or some sort of publication that you enjoy reading, you can go through and you can like that information, and it will then start populating your news feed with updates from, like, let's say you liked Oprah. It would give you the latest updates from Oprah, like, you know, when her TV shows are coming up and all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in that information, you can scroll through this list and click like next to the things that you like. If not, you can just hit save and continue, and it will take you to the final step of this 4-step process, wherein you get to upload a picture of yourself. So in this case, I'm just going to upload a photo. I have a photo of myself out on my desktop, and I'll open that up. It's going to upload it for me, and it should place it right over there on the left-hand side once it does so. There it is. And so once I have that photo in place, I'm then going to click Save and Continue. And so now that's going to take me right here to my Facebook news feed, but also at the top you're going to notice that I have this big, large yellow bar. And this big, large yellow bar is indicating to me that Facebook has sent me a confirmation email, which I am then going to need to grab a code from in order to confirm my email address, basically telling them that I am who I say I am. And so that's what we're going to talk about in the very next movie.